All right, so Navy Bean Part 1. We are getting ready to tear this guy down, and I just wanted to give you a quick once over of what we're working with. 2012, this is a Club Car Precedent, very popular model. They've been making them since 2004. This is a 48 volt electric, just like the Yamaha was. Don't have to do anything with the batteries on this one. This is 2019 batteries that are still in really good shape, so thankfully everything's okay there. I did get new seat covers, which I'll be doing those in black. Also have the rear seat, which I'll show you here in a second. Of course, pretty low to the ground as a standard cart would be. So of course that's not going to fly. We've got to get the lift kit underneath it. So this is the heavy-duty leaf spring set for the rear, and you need that. You don't need it, but it's good to have that when we do the back seat kit. That's what's in these two boxes. Here is the rear seat kit. So when you get 4 passengers on there, it tends to drag and the tires rub without these heavy-duty leaf springs. So I'm pretty excited about this lift kit. I went with a full A-arm lift kit versus just a spindle lift kit. This, I'll try to get a picture of it here. Basically, this is the whole front end. So we're obviously 3.5-inch lift kit, but then we've got included the A-arms in here, and of course these pieces are for the back. To bring the back up are 3.5 inches. So that's what we've got for parts so far. This top box here is the seat covers, the black seat covers. I'll be redoing those tomorrow. Should be a little easier this time. I picked up a nice little pneumatic staple gun to help with that on Amazon. So Navy Bean isn't going to be Navy Bean. We're actually changing the body on this one. I ordered a white. It's called an Alpha body. It's pretty neat. So that's going to come freight truck. That's probably going to take 10 days or 2 weeks. But we can get started on the lift kit, the seat covers. We can get the old body off of it. There's lots to do while we're waiting for the rest of the parts to get in. I did order some new tires and wheels, obviously. We're going to need bigger ones. So that's kind of the start, and I'll keep you posted as we go.